Levent, you look happy today.
Yes, I'm very happy. Today is a great day.
I'm happy too. Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Jennifer and Levent. Today we're learning about feelings and emotions.
Happy, sad, angry, tired, all the feelings.
This is important for expressing yourself.
Yes, exactly. But before we start, everyone please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and click the like button and please share our podcast with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
It really does.
Let's learn together.
Positive feelings vocabulary.
Feeling number 1, happy.
Happy means you feel good, joyful, pleased.
Now you say it. Happy.
I'm happy today.
Feeling number 2, excited.
Excited means very happy about something that will happen.
Now you say it. Excited.
I'm excited about my vacation.
Feeling number 3, proud.
Proud means you feel good about something you did.
Now you say it. Proud.
I'm proud of my students.
Feeling number 4, calm.
Calm means peaceful, relaxed, not worried.
Now you say it. Calm.
I feel calm when I listen to music.
Feeling number 5, grateful.
Grateful means thankful, appreciative.
Now you say it. Grateful.
I'm grateful for my friends and family.
Great. Now let's learn some negative feelings. Feeling number 6, sad.
Sad means unhappy, feeling down.
Now you say it. Sad.
I feel sad when it rains all day. Feeling number 7, angry.
Angry means very upset, mad.
Now you say it. Angry.
People feel angry when something unfair happens.
Feeling number 8, tired.
Tired means you need rest or sleep.
Now you say it. Tired.
I'm tired after a long day at work.
Feeling number 9, bored.
Bored means you have nothing interesting to do.
Now you say it. Bored.
I feel bored when I watch boring TV shows.
Feeling number 10, worried.
Worried means nervous about something.
Now you say it. Worried.
I feel worried before a big test.
Feeling number 11, scared or afraid.
Scared means frightened, fearful.
Now you say it. Scared.
Some people feel scared of spiders.
Feeling number 12, confused. Confused means you don't understand something.
Now you say it. Confused.
I feel confused when math is difficult. Feeling number 13, surprised.
Surprised means shocked. Something unexpected happens.
Now you say it. Surprised.
I was surprised when I got a gift.
Expressing feelings. To express feelings, use I feel, emotion.
For example, I feel happy.
I feel tired.
I feel excited.
Now you say it. I feel.
You can also use I'm plus emotion. For example,
I'm happy.
I'm tired.
I'm excited.
Both ways are correct.
Asking about feelings.
To ask about feelings, say, how do you feel? Now you say it. How do you feel?
Or, are you okay?
Now you say it. Are you okay?
Conversation 1. Checking on someone.
Levent, are you okay? You look tired.
Yes, I'm a bit tired. I worked late yesterday.
You should rest.
Yes, I will. Thank you.
Let's repeat that. Levent, are you okay? You look tired.
Yes, I'm a bit tired. I worked late yesterday.
You should rest.
Yes, I will. Thank you.
Conversation 2, good news.
You look happy today.
Yes, I'm very excited.
Why? What happened?
I got a new job.
Congratulations! I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
Let's repeat that. You look happy today.
Yes, I'm very excited.
Why? What happened?
I got a new job.
Congratulations! I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
Conversation 3. Feeling down.
How do you feel today?
I feel a little sad.
Oh no. What's wrong?
My friend moved to another city.
I understand. That's difficult.
Yes, but we can video call.
That's a good idea.
Let's do it again.
How do you feel today?
I feel a little sad.
Oh no. What's wrong?
My friend moved to another city.
I understand. That's difficult.
Yes, but we can video call.
That's a good idea.
Practice 1. Name the feeling.
What feeling is this?
Happy.
What feeling is this?
Sad.
What feeling is this?
Tired.
Practice 2. Complete the sentence.
I got good news. I feel blank.
I feel happy or excited. I didn't sleep well. I feel blank.
I feel tired. I lost my keys. I feel blank.
I feel worried or stressed.
Practice 3. Your feelings.
Now tell us about your feelings.
How do you feel today?
What makes you happy?
What makes you sad?
Do you feel excited about something?
Great practice.
Excellent work today.
You learned so many feelings.
Positive feelings. Happy, excited, proud, calm, grateful.
Negative feelings. Sad, angry, tired, bored, worried, scared, confused.
Neutral, surprised.
And you learned to say, I feel or I'm.
And to ask, how do you feel?
Now you can express your emotions in English.
In the next episode, we're learning about hobbies.
Reading, sports, music, and more.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Comment. Tell us, how do you feel today?
See you next time.
Keep learning English.
Bye.
Goodbye.